Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. So may Allah bless you always. Keep smile and live happily. In these beautiful videos I can share you very different and unique amazing ideas, and I hope you will like it. At this most latest and different collection is start our channels. Very pretty, unique and different styles ideas. I hope you will like it. At this most latest and different Christmas jar ideas. So friends, I hope you will like it. So very interested and different in new stylish ideas. I hope you will like it. All very interested, unique and different stylish collections inside our channel. So friends, in this beautifully so very interested in next new different style ideas. I hope you will like us enjoy my unique and different collections inside our channel. So friends, I hope I can share with you very interested and different collections ideas of beauty, and we can watch this and different arts decorations ideas. So very interested in unique, all very interested unique and different pretty ideas. I hope you will like it. And this very unique new design subjects. Friends, inshallah, I hope you will different, very interested in different unique new designs and ideas. Inside our channel. So this Christmas decorations ideas are so beautiful, and this my channels. And friends, let's see all very interested and different unique new styles and very pretty ideas, very decent. I hope you will like it.